Ciao a tutti! Welcome back to my kitchen where you can learn Italian regional recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful classic from Emilia Romagna. Cannelloni Ricotta Spinaci. A perfect Sunday lunch to enjoy with your family. Are you ready? Andiamo! Bring a large pot of water to a boil, add a pinch of coarse salt and drop in 500 grams of frozen spinach. I'm using frozen ones because you are more likely to have them hidden away in your freezer for a quote-unquote special occasion. Also, if you are using fresh spinach, you'll need more of it. Take a bowl and with the help of a fine sieve, strain the spinach to remove a maximum of the moisture. Use a spoon to speed up the process. Let this rest while we make the bechamel. To do so, you'll need 50 grams of butter, once melted, add the same amount of flour, so also 50 grams. Start whisking everything together to make what we call a white roux. Cook this on a medium-high heat and stir constantly. You'll know that your white roux is ready when you start smelling cookie dough. Now it's time to stir in 500 grams of whole milk little by little. Whisk in the milk progressively and keep adding it once the previous quantity is absorbed. A good way to remember the recipe is the 10-10-100 rules, which means 10 grams of butter for 10 grams of flour for 100 grams of milk. Works every time. Keep whisking and adding the milk on a medium-low heat. Now for the seasoning, add salt and pepper to taste. About 100 grams of Parmesan cheese, and the one thing a bechamel should always have: nutmeg. You can buy ground nutmeg, it's okay, but grating it yourself with this tiny microplane is better tasting and oddly satisfying. Turn off the heat, whisk everything together one more time and test the result with this technique. If the mark you make on the back of the spoon stays, it means it's ready and cooked properly. It's been about 20 minutes now, and as you can see, a lot of vegetation water has been released. Let's prepare the filling. In a bowl, add 400 grams of ricotta cheese, the strained spinach, and about 150 grams of Parmesan cheese. Start whisking everything together. In the meantime, make sure to like this video. And once you have done that, realize with me that the whisk wasn't the right choice. Scrape everything down and use a fork instead. It'll be better. As always, add salt and pepper to taste, as well as one whole egg. Again, as I'm doing this, remember to like, subscribe and activate notification bells. Thanks! When you have the right consistency, put everything in a piping bag, just like that. Cut the tip of the bag a little smaller than the hole of the cannelloni and start filling them up end to end. Using dried pasta is very useful if you want to prepare this in advance, and as you can see, the filling won't budge. Now, it's assembly time. Start with a fairly good layer of bechamel, followed by some tomato sauce. We're going to use about 200 grams, but it depends on your taste. Place the cannelloni in the tray and cover up with the bechamel. More tomato sauce, and I like to finish with more bechamel. With the help of a spatula, even everything out and add a very generous amount of Parmesan cheese and for extra crispiness, a drizzle of olive oil. This is going into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this is the result. We're going to let this cool off a little bit before cutting into it. Now that the wait is over, let's try this delicious and traditional baked pasta. Grab a bite with a lot of concentration. Honestly, I don't know why I'm this serious, because I'm about to taste something very good. I definitely approve of this dish. It holds its shape very nicely, it's earthy, cheesy and crispy. I'm very satisfied and I can't wait to hear from you, your feedback in the comments section. Now, as usual, I'm going to finish this. Thanks again for watching my video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, go watch my other videos like this one here if you enjoyed what you saw. Ciao e alla prossima ricetta!